Pipe wrenches come in various types, each designed to handle specific plumbing tasks and challenges. Here's an overview of the different types of pipe wrenches. 1. Straight pipe wrench. A versatile tool designed for general-purpose use, ideal for gripping and turning pipes of various diameters in standard plumbing tasks. 2. Offset pipe wrench. Features angled jaws to reach tight spaces or awkward angles, making it perfect for plumbing in confined or hard-to-access areas. 3. End pipe wrench. Designed with jaws at the end of the handle, this wrench is used for working on pipes close to walls or other obstructions. 4. Chain pipe wrench. Uses a chain instead of jaws to wrap around large or irregularly shaped pipes, providing a strong grip without damaging the surface. 5. Strap wrench. Equipped with a flexible strap, this tool is ideal for working with polished, soft, or PVC pipes without scratching or deforming them. 6. Compound leverage wrench. Built for high-torque applications, it's used to loosen or tighten stubborn, rusted, or frozen pipes with additional mechanical leverage. 7. Aluminum pipe wrench. A lightweight alternative to the traditional steel wrench, offering ease of use during extended tasks without compromising strength. 8. Hex pipe wrench. Designed for hexagonal fittings, it provides precise grip and is commonly used for tasks involving bolts or threaded connections.